Good morning, everyone. It's another busy day in our home. But today, I'm testing something I've been so curious about. The Calanofin bed sheet corner holders. Perfect timing for Black Friday too, because these are one of their top deals this year. Let's go wake Teetee up and get this day started. One thing Teetee likes is that every morning once she wake up, I have to give her a hug, tell her I love her, and I always tell her how beautiful and productive her day will be. And that's just how me and her start our morning. Then I let her sit and get herself together. And some mornings I have to still yell, wake up! Every morning starts the same. A little bit of chaos, a little bit of laughter, and always a race against the clock. Between school prep, home chores, and keeping things neat and pulled together really helps the day flow smoothly. Once again, good morning everyone, and welcome back to Her Home Is. It's early, it's cozy, and I thought, what better way to start the day than with a little morning reset and something new for Teetee's bedroom. And today's video is actually sponsored by Calanofin, who makes these genius bed sheet corner holders, one of their key Black Friday must-have deals of the year. And I'm going to let you see all of that here shortly in this video. Now, me and Teetee are going to continue our morning routine, getting ready for her to go to school. Then I'm going to introduce you to these bed sheet corner holders from Calanofin. Now, me and Teetee's mornings are always busy, getting ready, organizing, and a little rush here and there. But I love starting with the fresh made bed. Except for here lately, the sheets haven't been cooperating. Calanofin does sell on Amazon. I am going to include their link down in my description box. Make sure you check it out. Let me know down in the comments, what do you typically do for your morning routine? Now you guys, what you didn't see after this part, this is the portion after this that Teetee actually gets in the shower. We won't be filming that. Okay, so this is the reality. You pull or move just a little and boom, the corners pop off. It's not the look we're going for. Wanted to see if the Calanofin bedsheet corner holders could actually keep an oversized sheet tight and smooth no matter how much you move around. Make sure you click the link that's in the description. So here's what the Calanofin bedsheet corner holders look like straight out the box. They come with these easy to adjust and lock in place plates. You see I am pulling each and every one of them out. I do like the wider base. You guys, this was actually very simple and easy to assemble, you guys, and put together. Now, they do grip your sheet corners securely. This design does make them super versatile. You can use them for twin all the way up to king size mattresses. They feel sturdy and not flimsy at all. You can tell they're designed to actually stay put. While Teetee finished getting ready for school, I'm going to get these installed shortly after on the bed, and I'll show you what they can really do. If you guys don't know, in Teetee's world, she's already an actress. So I had to leave the camera rolling, and when I got ready to edit, she did not want this edited out. So you're going to see her finish getting herself ready for school. And immediately following, once I get her to tell you guys bye and out the door, we're going to put on these sheet holders. Now, you guys, I did have to do a voiceover because not only is she getting ready, she turns on her TV and her radio, so I could not catch a copyright with all of the things that she does have going on in the background. Now, you guys, let me know. Teetee is 8. Oh, do y'all guys have any 8-year-old children or grandchildren? She's at this phase where she no longer wants me to pick out her clothes. She wants to pick out her stuff and wear it the way she wants. Now, I typically do oblige because I know she's a little person and she's growing into her own personality and self. So, let me know. Do y'all 8-year-olds does this as well? Do they want to do their own thing or do they like guidance? She will let me give her some guidance, but when it comes to her clothes, she likes what she's liked, and hey, I let her express herself with those clothes. Now, before leaving, she did decide to put y'all some chapstick on too, because she said she didn't want y'all to have chapped lips as well. But she's gathering her book bag, her little boo-boos, and getting herself ready to. I love that the installation was very quick and easy. All you had to do was just clip one end to your sheet. So you just pulled that on, because with these corners and the way this piece is made, you guys, it's super easy, and the fit sheet just fit right on. Now you can adjust the tightness of the sheet by pulling the sheet tighter and clamping it. Now it has been about almost 3 weeks, you guys, since we started this video, but in the meantime, in between time of that, I was in the hospital. I got out. Teetee did have a sleepover. She had 3 of her cousins with her, so it was 4 little girls laying in this bed, jumping in this bed, playing in this bed. Now look, these sheet holder still has, do not forget, this is a actual king size bed sheet set. It is bigger than this queen size mattress, and you guys, it is still holding on. Now to me, that is the best part. You can actually feel the difference and see the difference right away. The sheets are still smooth, no more shifting, and no more wrinkles at the corner. And like I say, look at this. They have been jumping in the bed, and this is after the girls everyone left and we're getting ready to clean up. But they did a number here in this room with slime and stuff, so I'm finna have to get that cleaned up. And even with king size sheet set on a queen size bed, these holders have them locked in perfectly. And that's just one of the things that I do love about them. It does keep your bed looking made up and hotel perfect every single day. And I just want to thank you again, Calanofin, for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you've been looking for an easy way to keep your sheets tight and your bed looking fresh, especially if you're upgrading your home in this season, this is one of their top Black Friday picks you'll definitely want to grab. I'll have everything linked below, along with the special Black Friday discount, so you can grab yours before they sell out. All right now, Teetee's off to school, the bed is made, and I can start the day without fighting my sheets. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that bell so you don't miss my upcoming holiday home videos, because a calm, beautiful home starts with the little details, and these Calanofin bed sheet corner holders definitely make a big difference. And I will see you guys in another upcoming video. But don't forget, once again, here are the links to our channels, and here how they look. Here is Her Home Is, Glam Queen DIY, Sora Sky Home, and Mindfully Style. All links are in the description.